Welcome to the tutorial for using our Google Map Area Scraper. With this powerful tool, you can collect publicly available data from Google Maps using custom-drawn shapes on the map, perfect for targeting complex or non-standard regions. Whether it's a cluster of neighborhoods, industrial zones, or irregularly shaped urban areas, the Area Scraper gives you full control over where data is collected. Step 1. Choose categories and language. Here you'll need to select 1 to 3 business categories. Choose your preferred language. We provide a wide range of categories directly sourced from Google Maps, from restaurants and cafes to gas stations and clinics. Language recommendation. We highly recommend choosing English. Why? Because using English allows you to enable the exact match option, which helps you extract only the listings that precisely match your selected categories. Other languages may lead to less accurate results due to variations in naming. Step 2. Draw your area. Now it's time to select the exact area from which you want to collect data. Simply draw a polygon directly on the interactive map. You can zoom in, adjust points, and create any shape you need, even large or multi-point custom regions. This gives you unmatched precision in where your data will come from. Step 3. Apply filters. Here you can fine-tune your search using powerful filters. No duplicates prevents duplicate records and ensures clean data. Minimum star rating. Only scrape listings with a certain number of stars or higher, e.g. 2 stars and up. Minimum number of reviews. Set a threshold. For example, only collect listings with 100 plus reviews. These filters help improve the quality and relevance of your dataset. Step 4. Final check. This is your final step before starting the scraping process. You'll be able to review all selected options, click Edit to go back and change any step, and once everything looks good, hit Start Scraping. Once launched, you'll first see the message, Initializing scraping, please wait. This means the system is preparing to launch your task. Within the next few seconds, the scraper will begin collecting data. Once active, the dashboard will update and show estimated cost, approximate number of rows, estimated completion time. The scraper will continue working until it finishes collecting all the data based on your criteria or until your balance runs out. After that, you'll be able to download your results in CSV, XLSX, or JSON format. Red Rock Tech, precision, scale, and no subscriptions. Collect the data you need, fast, seamlessly, and without limits.